Hello everybody, this is the Euro dollar. Today is Tuesday, actually Wednesday. Didn't do a video last week because of Easter and the market was very quiet. So today is actually starting to move a little bit and give us some indication what's going on. What was very interesting is if we look at the 1 hour. This is the daily chart. The euro has been hitting this level here of resistance at 110, and actually for a couple of days did not really move out of that level. And for probably one of the few times since the downtrend, I actually did close for 2 days above the trend dragon trend line, but still did not really break that level of 110. So that is interesting to point out. And right now, basically, when the euro went down to that level here and was moving back up, it almost tried to do a higher low. But as it didn't break that level here, actually that did not materialize. Still could still happen, but not right now. It's not what it's looking like. U.S. numbers have not been very good. Non-farm payroll last week have not been very good either. But we also have Greece, the situation in Greece that is negative for the euro. So we have a euro negative Greece and a U.S. non-farm payroll negative. But still, the past 2 days, I've seen the dollar basically fighting back from that 110 level and actually pushing down. So it's pretty clear right now of what the level for the euro. On the upside, you would be looking at a break of 1.10, and if it does that, it will probably go to this level here, which is probably around the band of 1.14 to 1.12, so about 200 pip or so. Um, the daily chart still see the euro into a downtrend pattern. This area here would be just considered as a consolidation, which means the down level, of course, is at 1.07. Trend dragon give us a nice level of support here. It's pretty much a very clear. One thing too, what happened here is the euro went up to that 1.10, came down here, goes back up to 1.10 here, and basically if it breaks down that 1.07, this configuration here would be a double top configuration from that up move. The theory of the double top is that if it breaks the neckline here, it would go down the same distance as here, which would be basically, oh, let me fix that. The distance is about 364 pip, which would put us at that level here at 1.03 figure. Quite possible that it does that. Of course, it could also be a triple top, and that could happen, which even would be even better for the downside. But right now, it looks like configuration seems to be a double top configuration. The objective would be actually below that low here, which at that level here there would be even more selling interest because you would have taken down that low here, and that would be a sign that the trend is actually continuing. There must be potentially a lot of orders to sell under that level here with stop loss about here. So one strategy is to wait for that level to break, of course, the lower level, but here there is an opportunity to actually front that move or that potential move down by entering under that level at 1.0712, just because there is a double top, or could be a double top configuration, has not been confirmed yet. It will be confirmed when the price goes under that level here. Now the nice thing about double top configuration, same as head and shoulder, is that if it breaks that level here, it will usually not go to the objective in one shot. It will have a retracement, so you can expect the currency to come down, breaking that level, and then after that goes back up to the neckline. 80% of the time it could happen, and then resume the move down. So you would have basically one or two potential entry for that. So to look at. So the daily chart is very easy to look at. Just look at that level, go into the lower time frame, look if there is any kind of build up to break that level, and just go from it. Interestingly enough, if you go to the weekly chart, there has been this break here, this move down here, bit of retracement, the creation of a support line from Trend Dragon, which was broken and went down to the low that we mentioned earlier. There has been a retracement to the previous support, which is now a resistance, and is acting now as a resistance. So that move here is an acceleration move, while it's actually a downtrend move, and this would be potentially an acceleration. But on the weekly chart, we see that the currency is currently still into a downtrend pattern with very little corrective candles. So this confirms the downtrend if it breaks that level. So on the weekly chart, of course, there's this low here we talked about, 1.048 on the daily, but I will venture to say that on the daily, if it breaks that level here, it will also be a lot of selling interest at that level. I'll put it on in red, as to not confuse, and I'm pretty sure that that level will correspond to the daily here. Okay. So this week should be interesting to see what's happening. Fundamentally, we have two conflicting fundamental consideration: non-farm payroll and Greece, Euro Greece. Now, as far as Greece is concerned, I think that it is a little bit like in America when Congress and the president are fighting for the budget. This might actually just be a show. And yes, there's a potential that Greece may actually go into default. But I would bet that Europe will eventually concede to Greece and make sure that Greece does not get out of the Eurozone, because the consequences of that would be quite important. Could also open the doors for other countries like Portugal and Spain and potentially Italy to do the same when things get a bit rocky. So well, time will tell. I don't think that Greece is going to get out. I think that they're going to come to an agreement. There's too much at stakes, and actually, considering that the euro did not actually lose much ground, well, the euro did not completely drop, which means that that much. This is probably what will happen. So we'll see. That is for the euro dollar.